In this video, I'm going to be going over and answering the question, does Hostinger accept debit card payment as a form of payment? By the end of this video, you will know whether or not Hostinger accepts debit cards as a payment method. And if so, I'll walk you through the steps on how to pay with a debit card on Hostinger. I'll also be providing you with a Hostinger discount so you can save some money on your Hostinger domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get a Hostinger web hosting discount plus a free domain name on select Hostinger annual plans. To take advantage of the Hostinger discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code I provided next to the link at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's get started with the Hostinger debit card payment tutorial video. So does Hostinger accept debit cards as a form of payment? Yes, Hostinger does accept debit cards as a form of payment. I do want to note that if the debit card is a non-reloadable prepaid debit card, then this isn't currently accepted as a payment method. If it's a debit card you have from your bank with your bank account, you can use it to make your Hostinger payment. Now let me show you how to pay with a debit card on Hostinger. During checkout, under the select payment option, you'll see where you can input your credit card information. Putting in your debit card here will be an acceptable form of payment. You can also make a payment with a debit card via PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay if you'd like by selecting any of those options. Once you're ready to check out, you can click the Submit Secure Payment button at the bottom of the checkout to complete your purchase with Hostinger. If you decide to pay with a debit card via Apple Pay or Google Pay, you will input that information after you click the Submit Secure Payment button. That's all there is to it. I hope this Hostinger debit card payment tutorial video helped you answer the question of whether Hostinger accepts debit cards as a form of payment, along with how to pay Hostinger with a debit card. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.